Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
Now look here. I have a problem with all these people talking about food. Like to say food is a bad something. Some people tell you say you fit tap name bread. One other smaddy tell you say you no fit eat meat. The other one say no eat rice. And all kinds of furious something that they are calling diet. No, in my day, a diet was simply what you eat. Your food is your diet. Nobody now worry say they have too much yummy in a them plate, too much cabbage or callaloo or chicken. You just eat. So what is the story now with Atkins and cabbage soup and slim fast, slim quick and slim hurry? Take this pill and you will lose 50 pounds in 1 month. No, make we reason. Your name put on the 50 pounds in a 1 month, right? So then, what make you think you can lose the 50 pounds in a 1 month and it no come back? This is my advice to you, whether you want it or not. Go and exercise. Stop make the people them what try make money turn you in a idiot. I know every time rain fall you fi set your pan. Stop try this ya one and that the one and the big go till they in front of you. Go and exercise. You know why people in my days never have these problems? We eat the food that we plant and we walk go which part we they go. Nowadays, everybody want buy something we cook already. And all you do is put it in a microwave. Or just jump in a taxi and car and bus. All if then this a go down the road. Cause it lazy. One thing me have to say. Me annoyed and me don't talk.
Let me tell you. Any day you pass back again, you hear her complain about something else. But make sure you come back, you hear? For me really can't use the company else. And me and her one day, I'll no come back, you hear?
Another Yardbridge Entertainment production.